On this tutorial, we are gonna show you how to quilt a free motion quilting design only using easy straight lines and beginner-friendly loops. Let's get started. Hi, quilter! I'm Aline.
And I'm Natasha.
This is Quilting with me and Natasha. Please be so much welcome and to subscribe and share and of course comment if you are liking our videos. Thank you in advance and let's jump to the design of this tutorial.
So today we're going to do the high loop design and we're going to do very simple loops. So just one like this, and then very easy straight line. If you were to do a single straight line in a diagonal, it will be like this, but in the middle of it we're going to add some high tension design. If you don't know it, you can check on the
screen
card somewhere. So put some high tension between this diagonal and then another loop upside down, and then a straight line in the diagonal, high tension design, and the finishing part of this diagonal to touch the other side of your border, and just repeat that. Loopy, diagonal, high tension, diagonal, and loopy. Diagonal, high tension, diagonal, and loopy. Diagonal, high tension, diagonal, and loopy. Diagonal, high tension, diagonal, and the last loopy that will be sliced off.
So remember to practice in your paper on your OQS quilting board. You'll have so much fun and you will see that when you go to the machine, your quilting will be so much more easy and beautiful because you already practice on your board. Here Natasha is doing like some variations of this design. You can do very spaced. This will gain you more time. If you are on a hurry, you can do this. And if you have some more time and you like this aesthetic better, you can also do like the squeezed ones. We like the squeezed ones, but here's a pro tip. If you are doing a quilt for a toddler or maybe a baby quilt that you want to be fluffy, you definitely should go with these spaced ones because the fluffiness on the quilts are made from the space between quilting. So this is the tip for you because we are getting some comments that people are using some of these designs like the wonky stars or the loopy, this Lala loopy, on children's quilts. So just a tip for you, okay? Let's hop on our sewing machine and let's do it. I've already started by locking my stitches here. You can see the theme of the season is strips in the bedding and on the quilt. So let's get started on the design. The first thing you want to do, as you saw on the quilting board, is a loopy. And then we go diagonal, high tension, and diagonal again. Now another loopy. Diagonal, high tension, and diagonal again. Now a loopy, diagonal, high tension, diagonal, and loopy. Diagonal, high tension, diagonal loop. Remember, each and every corner or point of any design is a sweet spot for you to reposition your hand and get very comfortable to do your quilting. So loopy, and now diagonal, high tension, diagonal, loop, diagonal, high tension over here, and loop. Of course, you can see the loops are transitioning because of this diagonal with high tension part, which gives a very beautiful movement to this border design. So let's continue to the end, and you will see that all the borders we have here are cohesive. They look very beautiful together. Let's see what happened.
So here's our design, the high loop design. And you can see also that in every single border here, we have a different design that you can check out on our playlist. The season 2 we have here in our channel, and you can learn each one of these designs.
Thank you for watching. Let us know on the comments below if you like this design, if you want more. We accept suggestions, and we'll see you soon. Bye.